AI is only as powerful as the instructions you give it. At Emerald Cyber Solutions, we help businesses save time and get precise AI results through professional prompt engineering. We design structured prompts, role-based, step-by-step, and security-aware that eliminate guesswork and rework. Our clients automate reports, speed up decisions, and protect their data without sacrificing compliance. If your AI outputs feel inconsistent, slow, or unreliable, the problem isn't the tool. It's the prompt. Emerald Cyber Solutions has a number of AI prompts guides designed for your specific organization. These guides are customized for different industries to save you time and resources, so you can shift your focus to other priorities. Emerald Cyber Solutions, secure AI, smarter workflows, better results. Let ECS help you add value to your organization for the new year. Visit us at emeraldcybersolutions.com and schedule a free 15-minute strategy call today. Or navigate to digital products on our website and find your specific industry to download and use today.